Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Wickedly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Zilliqa. So, Zilliqa is going to have a stacking reward coming up. So, before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming videos that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. For my Patreon members, I have posted a whole bunch of video already. Coronavirus update, and I have to post it in my Patreon group because I can't talk about those things in YouTube anymore because I may potentially get banned. And of course, my view is somewhat different from the mainstream media portray. And of course, if you follow my channel for quite some time, I see this coronavirus coming back in January when nobody talk about it, no mainstream media talk about it. And I already predict this thing is going to be big. Anyway, so I have some updates so you can check it out. And of course, there's some screaming sell signal that tell you when is it the time to sell, stuff like that. You can check it out. And then should you get your coronavirus vaccine, the P4 lab, how to trade like a pro, and of course, which gold and silver coin has high resale value, the next Tezos. There's the next Tezos. If you miss Tezos, there's another Tezos. So there's always opportunity in crypto, don't worry. And also there's a must-know indicator for global depression, so you can check it out. And let's talk about Zilliqa quickly. So Zilliqa, basically, if you don't, in case you don't know, is they claim this is a high performance blockchain, and the reason why I say that is because in terms of the speed, the transaction per seconds is almost over 2,800, and compared to the legacy blockchain, and of course they talk about scalability and all that thing. But the thing is, like right now, I don't see that many projects on the blockchain on Zilliqa blockchain. So if there are more and more projects built on the blockchain, it may slow down. We don't know. So this is what they claim. But let's move gear a little bit to talk about the stacking reward coming up. So Qcoin is going to enable the Zilliqa stacking option for its registered user from June 18. Binance is going to do that later this month. And they're going to change to the SIP3 stacking proposal. So basically, the annual return from the stacking was around 10%. The maximum Zilliqa token that can be stacked is 700 million. Oh, actually, they decreased to 610 million because of the 10%. So 610 million Zilliqa across all the nodes. And if it's just one node, it will be 61 million Zilliqa. Basically, just per miners or per whatever. The node is the miner. So basically, it's 10% annual return. And Qcoin is a stack seed node operator. And basically, you have to stack the Zilliqa token in Qcoin. I think you have to stack with pool X in Qcoin. Then you can start earning the reward. And also, the node operator, for example, like Qcoin, they have the freedom to set their own stacking limit and prerequisite to adapt to market demand. To me, those things should be determined by the community, not just one person. I mean, it's like a dictatorship, seriously. And I don't like the whole process. I mean, for stacking, isn't it supposed to be, okay, you put your token into a wallet, and then you pick your miners or pick your bakers, pick whoever running the node, then you get some reward from the miners or from the baker, right? Right now, you basically send all this to a centralized exchange and do the stacking process. I think it's really weird. I don't like it at all. I mean, I feel like this is, I don't know, I don't like the whole process actually. And for example, okay, in Tezos, you can pick different bakers, and then you can start earning reward, and then in Theta, you have Theta token, you have the Theta wallet, and then you just put your Theta token in the wallet. You can earn the utility token, the T-Fuel token, right? And then your VeChain. VeChain also you can just put the VeChain in a free fall wallet. You can earn the utility token. So Neo, you have gas. So I don't understand why they don't have a wallet. You can just stacking your token and all that, and then you earn reward. And it looks, I don't like the whole idea. But anyway, if you're interested, and the thing is, so you have to register with KuCoin, and then you stack the Zilliqa token in the pool. Then the daily reward, they usually compute the daily reward for each user. They will take several snapshot for the balance, and then they will during the 24 hours, and then they reward the user the following day. That is pretty cool. You can get the reward very soon. Unlike some of the pool is, I don't know when you're going to get, when are you going to get your token, right? Sometimes it takes too long. And so right now they're talking about, remember we talked about earlier, 61 million is the maximum can be stacked per seed node. And then you can get 10% per year. So if KuCoin receive 122 million, that means you can only get 5%, basically diluting the value for the user. And so this is so depending. So they basically depending on how many people, like how many Zilliqa token stack in KuCoin. The less Zilliqa, the more reward you have. And if they have 122 million, then your reward will cut by 5%, cut by half, which is 5%. But the thing is, those rate will be equal across all users. So if they have high number of people, everybody got 5%, they will got 5%. If they have low number of Zilliqa token stack, then it will be everybody got 10%. And Binance coming on board probably later this month. But the problem is you have to go through KYC in KuCoin. I think it just really defeats the whole purposes for the blockchain technology. It's decentralized and all that. Right now you just go through all this KYC, and then your stacking pool is just one pool right now, right? Basically. And then you have to stack through the exchange, which is a centralized, and it also is a central point of failure, and then DDoS attack and all that fiasco. I don't know. This is like defeat the whole purpose of decentralized exchange, and then decentralize the power back to the people. Basically, the fundamental of blockchain technology, but no longer anymore. So what's the point? It's so centralized anyway. And so let me know what you think about this. And then I don't know. I don't like this idea because it goes through KYC. I don't like it at all. And I don't know if they are heading to the right direction. I don't know. Or maybe because there's no miner to want to run this platform, but I don't think so. I mean, this is not bad, right? So I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something. Comment below what do you think about this Zilliqa stacking process. Maybe initially they're going to use the exchange for supporting the stacking, and then eventually they will move to the wallet. And let's see, there's a whole bunch of wallet. Let's see, where's the wallet? So this is a whole bunch of wallet. You can put your Zilliqa token like Ledger, Moonnet, Trust Wallet, and Atomic Wallet. I heard people saying good things about Atomic Wallet. I don't know. Math Wallet. This is new. And then you have Zilliqa Wallet, and then you have Eco Guide Wallet. I don't like this wallet. I can't remember why. I remember something not okay. Trust Wallet I think it's fine. Trust Wallet is basically from Binance, right? So let me know what you think and which wallet you use to store your Zilliqa token, or you just leave it in exchange. You don't care. Anyway, I don't know. But the thing is, it's just a hassle, right? If your token is in the wallet, you have to go to the network, and then you have to pay the network fee, and then you send it to the exchange. I don't know. It's too much work, man. So let me know what you think about all these things. Do you think it's a good idea to stack your token, go through KYC in the exchange? And let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. And anyway, if you go through KYC, you have to submit a whole bunch of your personal information. I don't know. The thing is, like, is our personal data safe if you go through KYC? Qcoin, I'm not sure. Are they going to use a third party? Probably most likely using a third party KYC, right? I don't know. So let me know what you think about this Zilliqa stacking reward program that's going to be launched on June 18. If you're interested, you can just go to Qcoin and just go through the KYC, and then you can send the token over to the exchange, and you can start picking the pool, and then you're all set, right? If you don't mind giving out your personal data. Anyway, let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you, and please comment below. Do you like this project, or this is just another project that is grabbing money? Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. I'm pretty trying to be on both sides, right? I don't want to be like, hey, this is good, this is good. I don't want to be like a moon boy all the time. I just want to think critically about the whole process, what they are trying to do. And I always like to be supporting the decentralization movement, not centralized. So if you push all the token into the exchange, to me it's a centralized, right? So I would love to hear from you. What do you think about all these things? I would love to hear from you again. And please comment below. And that will help my ranking in YouTube. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming videos that could be time sensitive like this, token stacking. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. And of course, thank you for my Patreon members supporting my work and supporting freedom of speech. Nowadays, sometimes it's difficult to talk about things in YouTube anymore. I cannot tell people the truth anymore over there because they may potentially censor your account, unfortunately. And I think it's really up to at the mercy of Google what is appropriate or not. And by the way, Zoom. If you guys use Zoom, don't even use it. I think they transmit some of the Zoom video, whatever you do video conferencing, back to China. So it's up to you. Anyway, remember, crypto deep divers. We the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, stock market, and commodity have inherent risks. Please use the due diligence.